Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, there are 4 Sudokus left, actually 8, but 4 of them I will solve in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 6th, 2021. The first Sudoku, well, let me show you first how many Sudokus there are in this additional. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 1 tectonic, the second tectonic, 1 binary, and binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve, and those are the 3 star Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. The first Sudoku, a 3 star Sudoku, will be number 2120. 2120, yes. Alright, and I have already counted the printed digits. I always do before I start, so you know the difficulty level. The 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. An 8 in this column, an 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place for an 8 should be there. The 5 in this column, the 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then the 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then the 5 in this row, the 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, we see there 5, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Alright. How about the number? 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 6 should be here. Then 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. The 4 should be in that box, and the 3 goes in this box. 3, 7, 9. Okay. How about the number? This big square, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3, 3, 1, Okay. Let me think. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this middle column, so no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8, we see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well. 3. Let me see. I'm thinking. 1. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 will be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places for the 6 will be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 will be here. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about these two numbers in this column? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8, we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left. Well, let me do these 2 numbers first. The missing number in this column should be the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be the 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 and a 3 in this row, so no 7 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square should be the 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means that in this row we have 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Alright, 8 is missing. 7, 4. 3, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that 1 box left in the third row for the number 1. Alright, so we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. All right. 2 numbers left in this row. The 2 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be 3 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 3. Yeah. 3, 3. Yes, 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 3. Number 3. All right. Alright. Then. How about the number? These 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 9. Alright, so we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 9. Alright, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, alright. 1 number left in the 3rd column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the last row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 2. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 2, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finishing 13 minutes. Alright, 13 minutes. I like this Sudoku with 3 stars, and I'm very, very pleased with the time. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a Sudoku with 4 stars. So I will see you later. Bye bye for now.